You got this safe. Set for 0 when you buy it. There are instructions on how to set this safe. Twist, open, down inside there, you've got a nice locking console safe where you can put things. Let's see if we can light that up and get you a good view in there. So we're gonna turn on the phone light here. I'm gonna stick the camera down in there. All right, so you are now inside the console safe in this 2023 Toyota Tacoma. There you can see the construction of that, just like that. The lock-picking lawyer, if you're watching this, I want to see you do a video on this console safe. There we go.